In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0X800704. You will need internet for this. So first, you have to go to search and then type in view network connections. You can see it here. Then click on it and then make sure you have to select your internet that you're connected to, like the network. If you're connected to an Ethernet, then you have to select the Ethernet. For me, I'm connected wireless, so I'm going to select this, the Wi-Fi, and then right click. Then you want to click disable. Once you disable, then go ahead and right click again and then enable it. Once you do that, now exit. Now go to PowerShell and then run as administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Click on yes. And then here I'm going to enter this command. I will give it to you in the link in the description. So here it is. Just hit enter and then just wait for it to finish running. If you get this problem, that's fine. That means Microsoft Store is running in the background. You just have to go to search, then type in Task Manager, click on Task Manager, and then search for Microsoft Store. Just type in Store. So click on Microsoft Store, right click, then end task. And now you can go ahead and write the command again. So paste the command and then hit enter. Then now you can see that it's running. So it just finished running for me. So if you see this, that means it's done running. You can go ahead and close this and try to see if this fixed your issue. If you still are having the same issue, then the final option that you have to do is go to view network connections. Go back here, then go ahead and select your connection, and then right click, then properties. Then here you have to select the internet protocol version 4, this one, and then click on properties. Then here we have to use the following DNS server addresses. And then here we're going to type in 8, and then here 8, and then 8, 8, then here 8, 8. Here let me type in 8, and then 4, and then 4. So make sure you type in this and then click on OK, and then click on close. And this should fix the problem for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.